Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on keyboard sound in Samsung M12. So let us start our video. Firstly we will click on the setting icon. Wait, here you will see, click on that. After that you will see many options here. Swipe up and click on the sound and notification. After that swipe up and click on the ringtones and sounds. Swipe up and here you will see keyboard sound option, which is off. It means that it doesn't play any sound when the Samsung keyboard is tapped. If keyboard sound is off, firstly on this, it means that it plays sound when we tap on our Samsung keyboard. So I will show you. Here you will see it produce sound. It means that our keyboard sound is on in this way. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.